All right, so we're going to make this real quick. My name is James Hinchlin with Texas Integrated Services. We're a AI solution providing company to help with all your business needs. So I've got the perfect AI solution that has landed in my lap, and basically what happened is an accounting firm's getting audited. It's a massive deal. They didn't do anything wrong, and from what's going on. It's just there's about $4.5 missing on paper, but in reality, the money's still there. So, with that being said, it's becoming quite a headache because the accounting firm's like, listen, I've got 27,000 PDFs, and looking through all this is just going to be a headache. So what can you provide for us? And so I'm going to show them a really quick solution, and this is a great way for you to get introduced to AI into your own company, right? So I've got this. So I've got Texas Integrated Services now up. I've got four specific AI related articles, and amongst your generic. Now, from a generic point of view, I'm going to ask it a basic question on tell me about Netflix in a pandemic world. And of course, using the latest Lambda, as you can see up here, it gives me a generic information. But that's not what I'm really wanting because I don't need generic. I need specific that's relating to the company at hand. We roll into this RAG model. I've got all the documentations that I need specifically it to answer. And so when I ask it again, tell me about Netflix in the post-pandemic world using these files, the information now comes back more precise, and it also tells me where I need to go to get the information. So once again, if you're doing an audit in the accounting world and you need help, Texas Integrated Services is a great way. We're a veteran-owned company, and I would love to help you out. So once again, this is just like one of the best solutions I can come up with, and that I'll be dealing with for the next few days of getting these clients set up, having a computer that's inside their office, and and that's it. The neat thing about having me provide a computer for you, and where you can load all your documentations is none of this stuff will get to the outside world. As long as where ChatGPT is, you share public information. Now all of a sudden it's being utilized by millions of other people. You don't want that. At least here, your data is safe, secure, and it's not going out. So you don't have to worry about a lot of the legal issues that people are starting to wonder, how, is this safe or not? So once again, your data is secure inside the box. The box isn't going anywhere. It's not talking to the outside world, but you're getting the information in moments that you need. So from all of us here at Texas Integrated Services, one thing I can offer you is don't get audited by the IRS. Anyways, I'm out of here. Have a great time. Enjoy your weekend. Unfortunately, a bunch of us are going to be working to get this thing up and running for the accounting firm. Thank you very much, and I'll see you out there on the net.